Hello, my name is China. I'm from the Chicagoland area, and I am the CEO of Fortune Cookie Financial. I am currently a student. I'm pursuing a master's degree, and I was looking for something that I could do at my leisure while I am in school because it's pretty intense. I used to be a salon owner. I closed my salon when I got my bachelor's degree, and now I'm working on this master's degree, and I have always been pretty knowledgeable about credit repair, but I really wanted I wanted some guidance into how to make it successful and how to make it automated. So I first found Dominique Brown on Periscope a few years ago, and I always liked his perspective. He wasn't just talking about credit repair, he was talking about increasing your credit score. And that's kind of what I needed. I didn't need to get things removed from my credit report, and I pretty much knew how to do that already, but I wanted to increase my credit and have a formula for how to do that and how to help others do that. So this particular program with the credit repair agency, he basically gives you all the steps to set up the business where it's not that much work to satisfy your clients. So although I'm in school, I didn't really complete the program with the people who started with me. My last 2 quarters have been very intense, but I can still go back and complete those modules and get things going, and that's exactly what I plan to do. So I think that this is a really good program to help you set up your business for success, and you can go through it with other people, and you have the support of other people as well as Dominique and his team. So if you are considering the program, I would say just do it. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.